Hello students, so today we have this video on sulfuric acid. Friends, sulfuric acid is such an important chemical that it is often called an indicator of a nation's economy. And why is it so? Because it has lots and lots of uses in both daily and industrial life, and that is why we are starting the video with uses of sulfuric acid. Well, it is used in paints and pigments, used in the yarn production, fibers, paper, plastics, explosives, pesticides, dyes. Hello friends, welcome to TopCoaching.com. So I am here again today with the video on sulfuric acid. So friends, you know what? Sulfuric acid is such an important chemical that often it's an indicator of a company's economic well-being. You would wonder why? Because it is used in almost all the industrial, beauty, day-to-day life processes. And that is why, unlike other videos wherein I start with the physical properties, the formula, the chemical properties, and then end the video with uses, we will start with the use of sulfuric acid. So here we are. Friends, sulfuric acid is used in paints and pigments, fibers and rayon production, plastics, explosives, pesticides, dyes, batteries, fertilizer production and detergents. Right? For example, superphosphate fertilizer is prepared from sulfuric acid. It's used in petroleum refining, in all metallurgical processes, as a laboratory reagent, and so on. Now, how about manufacturing this important chemical called sulfuric acid? By the way, do we know the formula for sulfuric acid? It is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is manufactured by a process known as contact process, right? And this is the process. Looks huge in the beginning. Let us understand it step by step. It's pretty simple. Step 1. What happens? Sulfur dioxide is mixed with air or to take oxygen in 1:1 ratio. Right? Then at a temperature of 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, temperature of 1 to 2 atmospheres, vanadium oxide acts as a catalyst and we get sulfur trioxide. Obvious, right? Sulfur dioxide, when oxidized, we will get sulfur trioxide. And what all do we need to oxidize sulfur dioxide? Oxygen around 450 degrees Celsius of temperature, 2 atmospheric pressures, a catalyst known as vanadium oxide, and we get sulfur trioxide. Okay. How about step 3? Convert this sulfur trioxide into sulfuric acid. And how do we do that? Well, we need some amount of sulfuric acid at the first place, and we get an oleum with a chemical formula of H2S2O7, and it is this oleum which then reacts with water to give us 2 moles of sulfuric acid. Right? Now let us go back to that chamber kind of a diagram which we were seeing.